this is how I make my salt-free salad dressing. Okay, I'm trying to stay out of the light. It's really hard for me to do where the camera's sitting. Okay, so I take a pint-sized mason jar, and you see these little lines? That's going to be your measurements. So the 1, 2, the second line from the bottom is what I'm going to fill up with vinegar. And I am using balsamic vinegar. You can use red wine vinegar. That's really the only two that I like to use. And you can put as much or as little of this in there as you like, but I would at least go to the first line. I might not fill it quite up all the way to the second line. Yeah, I'm gonna be a little shy of that second line. That's just the way I want to do that this time. I'm going to take some minced garlic and just get me a good, you know, like that. Put that in there. I forgot something. All important. Okay. Here's some Italian seasoning. I keep all of my seasonings in little jelly jars. I don't measure anything, so when I tell you something, it's just, I'm guessing. So I'm going to get maybe a teaspoon and a half of Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning is my go-to seasoning. It really is. Now, I'm just going to put in as much onion powder as I want, and we'll just say that's half a teaspoon, maybe a fourth of a teaspoon. Same thing with my garlic powder, but you've got garlic in it. I don't care. I'm putting it anyway because I can, and you can too. You put whatever you want in there. Now, you want extra virgin olive oil, and you're going to want to fill it up to the top line. That's so much. It's okay. This is enough salad dressing to get you through a week. I give you permission. You have to give yourself permission every now and then to do stuff. Otherwise, you're never going to do anything. But especially when it comes to healthy stuff. All right, let's see. So now I just put my lid on and give it a real good shake. And there, salt-free balsamic salad dressing.